We established Remante 15 years ago when circular economy was not even in the dictionary. Remanufacturing is a process when we take old parts and with specific new components we make it work like a new one. With refundable deposit we motivate our clients to send the old cores back to us to keep circular economy going.
We know that data is important, so we've come up with our own system that helps us in our remanufacturing process. We keep track of all our products. It not only helps us in producing parts, but also helps our clients to find what they need. And it also helps us to buy all parts from all core suppliers, the parts that we need.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Bárbara y soy la responsable del mercado ibérico en Remante Group. Mayormente tengo que decir por España y Portugal, que son los mercados que llevo, que los países están muy preparados para la economía circular y muchas empresas trabajan los productos Reman. Entonces ha sido un placer entrar a este mercado porque la colaboración es muy fácil. Igualmente por mis compañeros que llevan el mercado de Francia, que son muchas empresas que trabajan en economía circular y venden los productos Reman. Entonces tenemos muchos partners en estos países y apoyamos muchísimo a que la economía circular y los productos Reman vayan subiendo y se están vendiendo cada vez más. Entonces vamos por ello.
EV is something what is going up in next few years, and of course combustion engines will go down, but they will be with us up to 2035 or 2040, and until that we will have a lot of jobs because we repair cars which are old from the date of the manufacturing, almost 5 to 10 years. So after the 2040 we will have a lot of jobs still on combustion engines. In the meantime, we will work, and we are working already on the EV products, and which are the same as in the combustion engines, like brake calipers and so on. So the impact on our company or on the remanufacture is not so much right now, but it will be in the future.
So why Remante? Because we have the widest portfolio in Remante business, because we are a very flexible business team. We developed our own B2B platform and we are speaking in 9 languages. So, ¡vamos!
¡Vamos!